Hey guys, welcome to the Currier Network. On today's video, I have the Samsung Galaxy S10e a year and a half later. This is my review and if you should buy it in 2020. The Samsung Galaxy S10e, lowercase e for essential. It's less than $1,000. It's $600 for the 128 gig. It's $150 less than the Samsung Galaxy S10. With a trade-in, you can get it for $400. I think it's a great deal for what you're getting. I would consider a mid-range premium device. It's very lightweight, flat display, thin bezels, and Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and back. Camera hole punch in the corner versus the center on the new devices. Capacitive fingerprint sensor on the side is very responsive. I'm using an S20 Ultra right now, and I can tell you I miss having the sensor. It's something about just touching the screen for the sensor. It's very different. This phone ships with IP68 waterproof rating, so that should be a standard for all phones these days. It has a headphone jack. As a parent, I can tell you a headphone jack is a necessity. It comes with a 5.8-inch display, a full 1080 HD. It's a ton of features without the cost of the S20 series. 438 pixel density. It's running Android 10. Has 128 gigs of memory with 6 gigs of RAM, or you can get the 256 gigs of memory with 8 gigs of RAM. The main camera is 12 megapixel and a 16 megapixel camera, dual pixels, and the video can shoot 4K 60 frames per second. Still getting all the features of a flagship Samsung device. You know, USB Type-C, fast charging, 15 watt. It has reverse wireless charging. So the only negatives about this phone, I would say, would be the average battery life. It will last a day for your average consumer. There's no display resolution options. The display only goes up to 1080. Besides that, I think it's a great phone. So that was my review of the Galaxy S10e. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know in the comments what phones you're buying in 2020 and what other content do you want to see coming from this channel. Thank you guys for watching.